Yo, ayo Chico, ayo man, Macho Machismo in the building, man. Yo, what is going on, guys? We just got some big things that just got delivered today to the crib. We got us, hold on, I don't think y'all ready. We got us an unboxing, We got us an unboxing of the brand new chalk line Razor Ramon shorts. Yo, they had the teal colorway and the pink colorway. They even have like green, red, OG purple. Those are completely sold out. So you know we had to get the hands on with the pink Johns, man. Real men wear pink. Never forget that, my boy HBK in the building. But we're gonna do a little quick unboxing on body, and we're gonna, hey, y'all better cut right now where they're available. We're gonna do that. Tune in, so like and subscribe, let go.
And check my boy out, Razor Ramon. Look at this right quick. Awesome Mattel figure. Man, this is clean. The bad guy.
Right now we're just gonna open the shorts. A little unboxing, okay. I'm gonna drop the link, guys. Y'all gotta check these people out. Yo, Chico. Ayo, man. So it comes in this clear bag right here. It says chalk line on it, official, real deal. They sell their products on WWE.com. Like, they even have their own website, but man, they got more than WWE. They have like Sonic, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Beavis and Butthead, Transformers, all the retro stuff, bro. Aesthetic. And these are a size extra large. I normally wear a large, which is 34, 36 waist, but you have to size up on these. So that's what I just got. I'll drop the size chart as well. But man, these are amazing. Do you see these? It has this little zip, so we're just gonna open that. Get into the bag, yeah. Get it back. Yo, oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness, I could have got with a medium actually. Let's see. I gotta try more. But man, yo, do you see these? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I probably could have got with a regular large. Yo. Ayo Chico. Looks just like the figure, bro. Literally, they have like a lot of stuff with their attire and shorts and pants form. Look at that. I'm gonna throw on the bed for y'all. Hey.
You're gonna see this for yourself, man. Do you see this? Razor Ramon. Jeez. These are pink edition. Amazing. This is awesome. They really did a great job with these. The back of the shorts look as well.
How the tag looks like, guys. Chalk line, winning with style, the brand new WWE logo. Gives you instructions right here. Washing with cold. Here goes the chalk line tag, winning with style. Awesome, let's try these boys on. And yeah, they do have pockets. Let's see. Let me show you guys. These little white pockets right here. It's like mesh material basketball shorts. And they do have a string as well, guys.
Contemplating at first, I was like, I probably should have got a large. But guys, they're really true to size. They fit really great. Feel like any other Nike shorts or shorts. you guys wear 34 like me in jeans or any shorts, make sure you follow the size chart right here. I'm gonna pop it up and just follow along with that because these fit great. And they are above the knee as well. So I don't know if you guys are against it. You guys might not like it, but they're not really too much above the knee, but they are above the knee since that's the new wave and style right now. So I just want to give that a heads up. Most guys out there, they like above the knee stuff, you know, showing the leg tattoos and all that good stuff with the Jordans, the Nikes, the whatever hype shoes you guys got going on. But man, these are it. Awesome. Chalk line, you guys snap. So there you have it. Brand new chalk line. Razor Ramon, the bad guy, Macho Machismo shorts. You guys take care. You guys, I'm gonna drop the link in the bio. Make sure you share the video, like, subscribe. Remember, Jesus is real. Jesus is great and good all the time. Take care, guys. Bad guys out, Chico. Peace.